our last view of Marina de Portimao. We thought it was going to be last night. We were supposed to be going on to anchor over here, but we had made arrangements to meet up with Dennis from DM Rigging and to go for a shakedown sail. So the sun isn't even up yet, not quite rising. Yeah, we're supposed to be meeting up with Dennis, but he never showed. So we're kind of just getting ourselves ready for to head off. I come up with an idea for a dinghy hoist, so that my dinghy doesn't have to hang on the back of my boat or get battered around by boats as they're coming in. And basically what it is I want to try to have my dinghy so that it's on an upright, well not upright, but on its side, by utilising something like that. Only I'll be on its side, and there's two little poles to hold the bottom, hopefully, but it looks like it's actually no. Yeah, it might actually work. We'll see. I'll show you as we go on. Basically, it's all we're doing is working out how to actually fit the dinghy onto these lifting arms. So I'm just going to use the chain that I normally secure it with, the front, and just put a little bracket on here. One side connected. This is all an experiment, so I'm not actually sure how this is going to work, but you know, best laid plans of mice and men and all that stuff. This one I'm just going to put that's what I normally do.
So this could still go terribly wrong. I can pull on this side, can't I, Alfie?
Now, I've got these legs sticking out for to actually hold the bottom of the boat. As you can see, the one at the front is actually pushed out a bit, doesn't matter. I have to fasten them at the front so they don't separate. But, as you can see, there's not actually a lot of weight on the legs because it's all being supported by the blocks. Same here, it's all being supported by the block. So all the weight is actually still on where I want it, on my saw gantry. But the boat's exactly where I want it.
And it gives us a bit more shade.
It gives us a bit more shade, but it doesn't give us... well, the boat's out of the water, it's not hanging away over the back. It doesn't give us a lot of vision at the back, but it's enough. I suppose if I wanted to, I could just lift this and get a view over the top if I needed to, but it's fine. I don't actually look back that much, I look forward mostly. So, and around the side, yeah, that's plenty of vision. So that's what we were planning for longer passages. Or I didn't want the boat to be hanging straight out the way, like on davits, because you get a following wave and it ends up filling up with water. As far as I can see, so far it's a success. Let's see, I've got to just fasten that outrigger so that it's actually going. Oh yeah, and straight back.
That's bad, the idea, isn't it?
No, it's not a bad idea. And it's never actually took the back end any further down than it was before. It's exactly the same, the waterline's the exact same. It's Dennis from DM Yacht Care. He's just fitting my storm sail. A lot of people use a baby stay, but if you look, there's no actual stay behind the baby stay, and you can actually lose a mast doing that, so do not use a baby stay. Hi guys, it's Wednesday, 10 minutes past 9. This is Alfie and Utah on Sailing Yacht Waveney, and it's a daily update. We basically we tried to do a shakedown sail yesterday, but there was just no wind, couldn't do it. So we're waiting on Dennis coming back today. The wind should come back round about 4 o'clock-ish. So we're going to take out for a shakedown sail before we do anything else. Say hello, Utah.
Hi.
So we're just sitting here enjoying the sun, just waiting on on Dennis coming, like I say, about 4 o'clock hopefully. But it's such a beautiful place. It was very rolly last night. I don't know why, but in high tide, my goodness, it was all over the place. But this is where we are just now, just sitting outside Marina de Portimao, in Portimao. Beautiful views all around, so we can't ask for much more. We're just sitting here reading and soaking up the sun and relaxing. And anyway, so we'll let you know how we get on with our shakedown sale. Try and, sun's right in my eyes at the moment, try and do a little video for you about the shakedown sale. And there's not much more we can say just now. I've got a few jobs to do on the boat yet, but they can wait until after Dennis comes. I really don't want to start something and then have to stop it waiting on him coming. So anyway, I'll let you know we're gone. It was quite good. He did turn up yesterday, which is fantastic. But Dennis, you never quite know. Anyway, don't forget, like, subscribe, leave comments. It helps my channel greatly and it doesn't cost you anything. Talk to you later.